Our topic for today is sword. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more of our videos. Sword is another name for irrational numbers, a number that cannot be written in the form P over Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0. The value of a sword in decimal form never repeats or terminates. For example, root 2, which is 1.41421356237. Basic rules in sword. Number 1, root x plus y is not equal to root x plus root y. Root x minus y is not equal to root x minus root y. Root xy is equal to root x root y, e.g. root 2 root 3 is same thing as root 6. Then number 4, root x divided by y is equal to root x over root y. For example, root 5 over 7 is equal to root 5 over root 7. Sword in its basic form. The sword root x is said to be in its basic form if there does not exist any factor of x that is a perfect square other than 1. For example, we have root 2, we have root 3, and so on. Now the factors of 2 here is just 1 and 2. Factor of 3 is 1 and 3, and so on. Just 2 factors. But root 20 is not in its basic form because 4 is the highest perfect square among the factors, and that makes it 4 times 5. When broken down and simplified, it becomes 2 root 5. Example 1. Simplify the following: root 80, root 200, root a square b, and root a square b raised to power 5. Root 80, the highest perfect square among its factors, is 16. That makes it 16 times 5. Square root of 16 is 4, giving it 4 root 5. For root 200, the highest perfect square there is 100. And that makes it 100 times 2. Square root of 100 is 10, making 10 root 2. For root a square b, a square is a perfect square on its own. So the square root of a square gives a. That's a root b. Then number 4, root a square b raised to power 5. A square is a perfect square. Then b raised to power 5 can be simplified. The highest perfect square there is b raised to power 4. That's b raised to power 4 times b, giving you the square root of a square is a, square root of b raised to power 4 is b square, root b. Example 2. Express each of the following as a single sword. That's 2 root 3. When 2 comes into the root, it becomes 2 square. So that's root 2 square times 3, giving us root 12. 3 root 5, same thing. When 3 comes into the root, it becomes 3 square times 5. That's 9 times 5, making it root 45. Then number 3, 4 root 7. That's root 4 times 4 times 7, giving you root 112. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more of our videos. Thank you.